Hi everyone. Today I will make dahi vada. For making vada, we will need split black gram urad dal 250 gram. I have soaked it for overnight. You can soak it for 8 to 10 hours in normal water. Cooking oil for frying vada. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Asafoetida 1/4 tablespoon. Green chili 2. Ginger peeled and washed 2 to 3 inch. Salt as per taste. The other ingredients for dahi vada are yogurt, curd 2.5 cup, roasted cumin powder 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coriander leaves for garnishing, green chutney, tamarind chutney. First I will make batter for dahi vada. In a grinding jar, add soaked urad dal, add cumin seeds, asafoetida, green chili, ginger, salt, 1 tablespoon water. Close the lid and grind it into thick smooth paste. Take it out in a bowl. Stir the batter briskly for a couple of minutes. Whisk the batter in one direction for 10 minutes. This makes the batter more light and fluffy. Heat a pan with oil for deep frying. When the oil becomes hot, put a spoonful of the batter and add in the oil. Don't be hurry to turn them. When the vadas become pale golden from base and side, you can turn them. When the vadas become golden and crisp, take it out in kitchen towel. Take water in another bowl and add vadas to the water and soak them for 20 minutes. As you can see, the vadas have increased a bit in their size and as well as changed their color. Take vada inside your palm and press lightly to remove excess water like this. Place the vada in serving bowl. Whisk the yogurt till smooth and pour the yogurt over the vadas. Sprinkle red chili powder, roasted cumin powder, top with Greek chutney, and tamarind chutney. Garnish dahi vada with coriander leaves. Serve dahi vada immediately or refrigerate and serve later. Dahi vada is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.